Hi everyone, this is Hunyah Travels and today I'm making Pakistani style corn recipe video. So it's a really easy recipe which you could just make in the air fryer. Only one ingredient you need is frozen corn for this recipe. Very easy and very simple to make. So first what you do is put the air fryer on and put it on the air fryer mode for 10 minutes and let that preheat like this. It's just preheating, so it's ready to be put in the frozen corn is ready to be put inside. Like this. And it's just gonna say here to add in the food. Time to add in, so I just take out the air fryer and I pour it in the corn like this, just a little bit of it, not too much. I'm making it for myself, maybe a little bit more, and then it's ready to be put into the air fryer. This goes into the air fryer for 10 minutes. Now let that heat up, and I eventually just have to flip it in a while. Turn the food so it's like this, and just use a spatula and just flip this around. So it's going to be fully cooked in a while. So it looks like this. Now it goes back into the air fryer for another 2-3 minutes, and it's ready to be taken out. Then I have a technique on how you can take out the Airfryer Pakistani Style Corn without having any problem. It's almost done, so it's ready to be taken out in about a few seconds. It's done. So just taking it out, and you can see it is done. Of taking out the air fryer corn is that you first just take out the ones that are sticking out like this. With one hand. And then what you do is you just take the fork. So take any fork, so take this and just lift it up very gently. Okay, so you can see it's just a little bit of, take this out and just put it in this, and then take out the rest like this. And here you go. If you want to add some seasoning, then it's a good idea to add in Pakistani style corn some seasoning, because that's really where all the taste comes from. So I added a little bit of chili flakes. Like not too much. And then some chopped chives. And a little bit of chipotle mayonnaise because I like to give it a little bit of Mexican touch at the same time. So just take that and mix it like this. Mix it all around. And here you have some Pakistani style corn. Pakistani style corn, which you could make at any time in the air fryer. So thank you for watching Hunyah Travels, and make sure you watch and please share, like, and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. Watch Hunyah Travels, and make sure you read Hunyah Travels blog. That's on now.com/Hunyah Travels. Follow me on my Instagram page at Hunyah Travels, Instagram page at Hunyah Travels. My Instagram account for inquiries, that is my personal account, that is Hunyah08. So if you need any inquiries, then yes, and then I'm ready to collaborate. That would be from my Hunyah Travels page. And also Hunyah Travels is on TikTok now, so go to TikTok /Hunyah Travels 1, and be sure to watch and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. So thank you for watching Hunyah Travels. Thank you.